How to add Roblox to Discord status. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. Then log into Discord. Click on three dots on top right and make sure it's desktop side. Then click on your settings. In your settings, you will find activity settings. Click on activity privacy and make sure share your detected activities with other turned on. After you do that, below activity privacy, you will find game settings or additional settings. Click on it and then turn on Roblox. This is not available on my device. It will be available on your device. This is how to add Roblox to Discord status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.